Welcome back. Kadamba bus and a private bus met with an accident at Old Ponda bus stand on Monday morning. Kadamba rammed into shops in the vicinity as the driver lost control. 6 shops were damaged and 3 persons were injured. One of the injured has been moved to GMC. Meanwhile, 3 non-Goan youth died on the spot in a fatal accident at Parra on Sunday night as speeding bikes collided head-on. 2 others were injured in the accident.
Kadamba bus rammed into 6 shops at around 6:30 on Monday morning at Old Bus Stand in Ponda. Luckily, a major tragedy was averted as it was not the usual rush hour. Kadamba banged a private bus. 3 were injured in the accident. The Kadamba driver has been suspended for rash driving. PWD minister rushed at the spot and announced relief for injured and the affected shopkeepers. Loss reported has been almost worth 10 lakhs.
लोक म्हणतात तू स्पीडीन आसलो म्हणटा
गाडी धक्के बरोबर आम्ही फाटी पळयलो बस सामकी स्पीडीन येयले तुमच्याकडे चलून आसलो ताका पळय धक्को मारलो हे सगळे घडटा हे ओवर स्पीडिंगा खातीर हांगा स्पीड ब्रेकर घालचो.
कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशनची बस जवळजवळ 100 स्पीडीर ह्या मेन रोडार चलता आणि कंट्रोल जायना म्हणून ह्या गाड्यावाल्याचे नुकसान जाता. वन ड्रायव्हर फ्रॉम मोले मिस्टर नायक हॅज बीन सस्पेंडेड इमिजिएटली. जे नुकसान आसा ते जवळजवळ 10 ते 12 लाख रुपयांचे जाल्ले आसा. मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन हांव उलयलो आनी मुख्यमंत्र्यान इमिजिएट चीफ मिनिस्टर रिलीफ फंडांतल्यान हांकां मदत करपाचें थारायलें.
Local BJP Mandal also reached the spot and offered their assistance to the injured and the affected shopkeepers.
आम्ही रोखडेच विचार केलो आणि निर्णय घेतलो की बाबा आम्ही कितें तरी करूया आणि त्या नदरेंतल्यान खरें म्हणजे आमी एक ल्हानशी स्कुलाची फुलपाकळी अशी मदत केल्ली आसा.
Meanwhile, a severe head-on collision between 2 motorcycles at Parra claimed lives of 3 youth, 2 from Maharashtra and 1 from Karnataka. Accident occurred at around 10:45 on Mapsa-Kalangut route on Sunday night. 2 speeding motorcycles banged against each other with a huge impact. One motorcycle had a rider and a pillion rider, while other motorcycle was carrying 3. Ravindra Gura from Kolhapur, Rahul Joshi from Akola and Parag Patel from Khanapur, a resident of Kucheli Mapsa, died on the spot. The pillion riders who were accompanying Parag Patel sustained minor injuries and were later discharged from the hospital. Dinesh Karpe, Shyam Sundar Fatte and Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Residents of Daboli are worried over the construction of a compound wall for the new terminal at Daboli Airport. They claim that compound wall is built by demolishing a small hill. Moreover, the exit road of the new terminal joins the national highway directly. This exit road poses a threat to the commuters.
Have a look at the construction of this compound wall for the new terminal of Dabolim Airport. Locals claim that the compound wall is built without strong foundation. Resident fears that the compound wall may collapse at any time.
एअरपोर्ट बांदतासतना दुरीक बांदपाक तेणे बरो व्हडलो दोंगर कातरला दोंगर कातरून तेणे दुरीक बांदतात. हे दुरीक बांदतासतना तेणे बुनियाद काय मारूंक ना. बुनियाद मारनासतना दुरीक केन्नाय कसलो वचपाक शकता. कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटीजांनी लक्ष दिवचें कित्याक गव्हर्नमेंटाचो पयसो उदकांत पडपाक नाका. दुरीक बांदता न्हू ते पयस दोंगर कट करून बांदला आतां फाल्यां समज व्हडलो पावस येयलो तर दुरीक आख्खे कोसळोन येतले. आतां ते तेंच्यांनी सारकें बांदूं ना. चिऱ्यावर चिरे जाला आनी सिमीट दवरला. फाल्यां समज ते निसरोन येयले आनी कोणाचेर पडले जाल्यार सगळ्यांक त्रास जातलो मरे लोकांक.
Moreover, have a look at the exit of the new terminal. It joins directly to the national highway.
ऐकल्या प्रमाणे 19 तारखेच्यान एअरपोर्ट चालू जावपाचो आसा टेम्पररी आनी जानेवारी एंडिंग म्हणल्यार परमनंट. पण फाटल्यान पळोवंक गेलो तो रस्तो जो एअरपोर्टार गेस्टांक सोडून भायर सरता तो सारको हायवेर जॉयन जाता आनी ताका काय ते करूंक ना. ओवरब्रिज ना काय ना. हांगा हायवेर गाडयो सगळ्यो फास्ट येता. एक्सिडंट जावपाचे खूब चान्सीस आसा. हे कितें तरी आतांच करपा जाय मागीर एक्सिडंट जावन फुडें पळयता म्हणल्यार खूब टायम जातलो.
Now locals want the concerned authorities to look into the matter as soon as possible. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
The semi-finals for Lok Sabha polls have begun. Around 70% voter turnout was recorded across 18 constituencies of Maoist-affected Bastar and Rajnandgaon in the first phase of assembly elections in Chhattisgarh. Maoists attempted to disrupt polls by firing at 4 different polling booths. The fate of 145 candidates, including Chief Minister Raman Singh, has been sealed in the first phase.
Around 70% voter turnout was recorded across 18 constituencies of Bastar and Rajnandgaon in the first phase of assembly elections in Chhattisgarh. The region had seen 64% polling in the previous assembly elections in 2008. Maoists attempted to disrupt polls by firing at 4 different polling booths. Now the fate of 145 candidates, including Chief Minister Raman Singh, has been sealed. Maoists opened fire at a team of election personnel when they were returning after conclusion of polling in Dantewadi district in South Chhattisgarh, killing the Jawan. However, voting was cancelled in 2 places as officials were unable to reach the polling stations because of Maoist threat. Voting also failed to kickstart at 3 places in Kanker district. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.